We're getting ready to launch Specs, a lightweight, wearable computer for consumers. We know that the single biggest challenge for any new hardware ecosystem, especially spatial, is content. Learning new skills can be time-consuming. We want to eliminate the high barrier to entry, and that's why we're introducing CLAD, our closed-loop agentic development framework for Lens Studio. CLAD plugs directly into the third-party coding assistants you already use. This grants external AI agents secure access to execute native editor functions, compile code, and modify scenes without you ever leaving your setup. Because great spatial software requires continuous, iterative refinement, CLAD automates and accelerates workloads across 4 tightly closed loops: the design and prototyping loop. It takes your initial prompts and generates multiple UI layouts and functional prototypes, iterating in real time based on your feedback. The testing and migration and optimization loop. It instantly pushes builds to your specs or the simulator to catch bugs and performance bottlenecks. The framework automatically deploys best practices to slash power and reduce thermal load, while smoothly refactoring existing code bases into the next generation specs platform. The publishing loop. It automates compliance and content moderation passes, streamlining the nuances of Lens submissions like adding metadata and privacy terms. Armed with an auditable and transparent agentic identity, it runs silently in the background of your live lenses, monitoring crash reports and automatically preparing code patches and pull requests to accelerate recovery. When agents start writing code, platform integrity is everything. We've built 4 safety rails directly into our operating system. Sandbox lens execution. Every lens runs in complete isolation. If an agent writes an unstable script loop, it's sandboxed. Your hardware remains perfectly stable. Data privacy by design. Specs explicitly prompts users before accessing camera and other sensitive data, and signals access to bystanders through the front-facing LED. Resource management. The OS enforces strict, adaptable limits on system resources so no single lens can monopolize the hardware or overheat the device. Scalable content moderation. Automated scanning pipelines are paired with human oversight to guarantee quality and safety before lens ever reaches an end user. Coming later this summer, you can also find one more thing we're excited to announce. CLAD will also include a Unity scene conversion skill, which allows you to translate Unity projects into native Lens Studio structures. Just another way that we're trying to short the on-ramp to augmented reality development for specs. You can start building with Claude Code, Codex, and Cursor today. The CLAD developer preview is live now. Simply download it, add the plugin to your favorite coding assistant, and start testing your ideas in our simulator. If you want to get your hands on Specs and see your ideas come to life before Specs is publicly released, apply for the Specs closed beta hardware program right now.